So you're a team, right? And your relationship is built of two individuals that don't make one, that just make two individuals make the relationship. And your relationship needs to feel needed. So it needs a project, not a repair project that you're always talking about what the problems of your relationship are and how you're going to repair them, but an inspirational project. Hi, I'm Susan Regan, and I've been working with couples for over 30 years, helping them strengthen their relationship. So, an inspirational project. Have you ever noticed the other couples that are around you that inspire you? And watch what they're doing. They're doing things together to make their lives better, making a really good meal, cleaning the yard, doing something that they never knew, putting a banister into their house, figuring out how to go on a trip, hiring a trainer, doing things together to grow and evolve. That's strength. That's inspiration.